Welcome to the live bench evaluation of Renesas Gigabit Industrial Ethernet System on Module Solution, EU140. Gigabit Industrial Ethernet provides high speed, up to 1 Gbps, low latency and reliable communication, ensuring deterministic performance crucial for real-time control and automation in demanding industrial environments. This EVK supports demanding applications like high-resolution video and complex sensor networks. Its integrated module and carrier board design simplifies development, reducing time, cost, and risk for industrial systems. This live bench setup features an industrial Gigabit Ethernet system on module with dual Ethernet ports for data control or acquisition, virtually controlled DIP switches, and a power adapter to supply the board. Click Plug In to connect to the real hardware and begin evaluation. This section comprises the input controls for the live bench evaluation. And this section on the right displays the evaluation output. Use the slider to adjust the blink frequency of the LED array. Watch the live video to observe how the blinking speed changes. Initiate a ping from the Gigabit Ethernet port to the SBC. Observe the response displayed in the ping response container. Ping responses are displayed in this container. Control alternate LEDs with the user configurable dip switch. Toggle the LEDs on or off using the options provided in this section. Modify the switch status in the input section and observe how the digital data changes accordingly. Use this option to reset the board. Watch the live video stream to see real-time updates of the lab setup. The progress log window provides information and logging on all live bench activities. Need help? The AI-powered Knowledge Assistant provides instant answers to lab-related questions. Here is an example. Turn on Assist Me mode for guided step-by-step instructions. Need more details? Use the hamburger menu to access the full user manual and resources. Thank you and happy evaluation!